Hello, welcome back to Simple Trends. Corn cheese balls make a super starter. Loved by all age groups, it's perfect for an evening snack or a party. Let's make this cheesy starter without deep frying and make a healthier version. I have boiled and peeled two large potatoes. Taken quarter cup of boiled sweet corn. A portion of this corn I will pulse in the mixer for better binding. Instead of breadcrumbs, I have taken 1 large cup of powdered rusk. Compared to the breadcrumbs, this gives a very crispy layer. You can also use breadcrumbs if you don't have rusk to be powdered. 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour or maida. 1 tablespoon ginger, garlic and chili paste. So this is 1 small piece of ginger, 5 to 6 garlic pods and 1 green chili which I have just pulsed in the mixer. 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon oregano or even you can use mixed herbs. 2 cubes processed cheese, a little mozzarella cheese which I will cut into small cubes for the filling. I have mashed the potato well without any lumps. To this, add the oregano, chili flakes, ginger, garlic and green chili paste and the pulsed portion of the corn. Add the remaining corn. Add the needed salt. Keep in mind the salt in the cheese and add accordingly. Grate the processed cheese cubes to this. This small grater with a magnet has been very handy to me. It can be stuck on the fridge and is very useful to grate ginger or cheese. Mix this well. Shape into small even-sized balls. We will place a small cube of mozzarella cheese in this. For this quantity, I could make around 25 potato corn cheese balls. Now to the all-purpose flour or maida, add water little by little and make it into a thick batter. The batter should be like a slurry, like the idli batter. Add a little salt to this batter. I have cut the mozzarella cheese into small pieces to keep inside the potato cheese balls. This will give a gooey cheese center when cooked. The pieces should be very small. Place it inside the potato ball. Roll it well. Dip into the all-purpose flour, that is the maida slurry, and coat with the rusk powder. Or if you have breadcrumbs, you can coat with the breadcrumbs also. Repeat this with all the portions. Ensure that the cheese piece is covered well inside the potato. If it is not covered well, the cheese will begin to melt and ooze out while cooking. With the cheese stuffing, the maida coating and the rusk powder, they are not too small now but bite-sized pieces. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Do check out our other videos on one-pot recipes and home organizing and cleaning also. Roll everything and keep them in the freezer for 30 to 40 minutes. It becomes easier to handle while cooking them if it is frozen. These have been in the freezer for 45 minutes and you can see they are quite firm now. Now, no deep frying. Let's fry them in the paniyaram or the appam mold, the one which we use to make kuri paniyaram. With this method, it can be fried in just a few drops of oil. Keep the flame on low and toss them to cook on all sides. Do not cover while cooking. You can see that it is beautifully cooked with a golden brown crust and a gooey cheese center. I am sure you would have loved this healthy version of no fry corn cheese balls. Serve with tomato ketchup and enjoy your snack. Share your feedback in the comment section below. Do check the description box for ingredients list in English and Tamil. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting recipes. Till then, bye.